Hello. Well, there's something very, very different on the workbench tonight. This is a Murphy's models, as you can clearly see, and I believe it's a class 071. I'm sure it says it on there somewhere. Or even a class treble 1, Northern Ireland Blue. Anyway, whatever it is, it's a foreigner. Irish Railways. And this belongs to a very dear friend at work called Sean, and he's been after me looking at this since before COVID started, but of course that put pay to anything like that. And he reports that the bogie has all the contacts hanging out one end and also looks loose. So it doesn't sound too brilliant, so at the risk of an unboxing, let's have a look, because I have no idea what this is going to look like. I mean, I've got a Murphy model, the little orange Bobo. Hold on, I need both hands. Ooh, there it is. So it's tightly in the box, so I'm going to get it out and then we'll have a look and see what's going on.
Okay, I've switched to stills as the bogie is complex and delicate and I need both hands to work on it. You can see the problem here. My heart sank a bit when I saw those contacts sticking out like that. The bogie had become unclipped, and once the bottom part was removed we can see something of what has happened. The pickups are merely trapped by the bottom of the bogie and some pins. They appear to have been pulled the wrong way, as they should reach down to the backs of the wheels. My first job then was to gently bend the pickups back the right way, taking care to support them at the flexing point. Once both sides were done I found I had a problem, as there was nothing to keep them in place, because it's the bottom plate that has 4 pins that locate in the pickup strips and the frame of the bogie. My answer to this was to use a spot of superglue under the pickup strips to hold them in place. While this dried I kept them located using cocktail sticks in the holes on both pickups and bogie frame. While we have the gears exposed I added a little drop of gear lube to them.
So we've popped off the middle part of the body using the 4 screws between the axles, although there only was 3. We have a loudspeaker fitted here ready for DCC, and yeah, so I'm not happy with the balance of the loco at the minute. We fixed that awful pickup problem, so I think I'm going to take this board out and the speaker and see if we can see how the pivots work and if there's adjustment that's needed there. Everything's incredibly tight. I have managed to just get some lubricant on the motor, but yeah, it's very hard to get at anything with the cab pieces remaining in place, so we have to see if there's another way, I think. Well, this is the oddest thing I've had on my workbench, but I found how to get to the towers, the bogie towers. It is just a nightmare. You have to undo everything, and it was too complicated to risk filming it for you, I'm afraid. But everything works, the lights all work. So, and considering she didn't run at all when she arrived, let's just see if we can see what that says, shall we? We're having a look, but it's just too tiny. It probably is legible if we had a magnifying glass.
Here we see the loco with my long mineral wagon train. It handled it with ease and runs smoothly and controllably. The bogie frame clipped back in place easily, but Sean will need to watch that it does not pop open again in the future. The loco was using just under 100 milliamps to pull this train, which is just about right for the type of motor fitted. A very interesting loco from Ireland.